Searching for information on the web using Bing is easy. First, type in what you're looking for into the search box. I'm going to do a general search, but you can choose to search images, videos, shopping, etc. Bing will automatically suggest what it thinks I'm looking for here. If you don't want this option, then simply click on Turn Off. If you do see what you wanted to search for, then choose it and the search results will pop open. The first results that I'm shown is information from all around the web. There are news links, and you can choose to view the latest stories related to this search. And then there are various websites that contain information about my search, Michael Jackson. If you move your cursor over to the right, you'll see a summary of where the link will take you before even clicking on it. You can also choose to just search news, songs, biography, etc. There are related searches here that will take you to even more information. And your search history will appear here so you can easily find your way back to where you started. If you don't want to see this, then you can clear your search history or simply turn this feature off. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next episode in the Get Searching with Bing series.